Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at 5 of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle. The Selkirk Sport Vanguard Pickleball Paddle line offers premium performance paddles designed to meet the needs of competitive and professional players. The 3 models, Vanguard Power Air, Vanguard Pro, and Vanguard Control, each serve distinct playing styles but share high-end construction technologies. All Vanguard paddles use 360 degrees proto-molding in flex foam perimeter, delivering enhanced consistency, control, and durability. The 360 degrees proto-molding ensures a seamless design for better feel and strength, while the flex foam perimeter absorbs shock, enlarges the sweet spot, and reduces vibration. The Vanguard Power Air is geared toward aggressive players who prioritize power and spin. Its aerodynamic throat and edgeless design enhance swing speed and maximize hitting force. The Vanguard Pro balances power with control and is ideal for all-around players. It offers a versatile mix of spin, pop, and precision, making it a great choice for competitive games. The Vanguard Control focuses on touch and precision. It's perfect for strategic players who rely on dinks, resets, and shot placement. It features a larger sweet spot and superior touch response. All paddles use carbon fiber hitting surfaces to provide excellent spin and feel. They come in various shapes and grip sizes, making them customizable for individual preferences. In summary, the Selkirk Vanguard Paddle Series is engineered for serious pickleball players, offering professional-grade features tailored for power, control, or balance, depending on the selected model. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. The Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle is a popular choice for beginner to intermediate players seeking quality, comfort, and performance at a budget-friendly price. It features Head's signature optimized tubular construction, OTC, of a polypropylene honeycomb core, which offers a good balance of control and power. The paddle's composite hitting surface helps deliver a consistent feel and spin potential, making it easier for players to develop their shots. A key design advantage is the ergonomic foam handle, offering a comfortable grip for extended play. The paddle weighs about 8.1 ounces, giving it a slightly head-heavy feel for extra power without sacrificing too much maneuverability. The paddle has a 16-inch length and 7.875-inch width, making it slightly elongated, which helps with reach and control. The perimeter weighting system in the Radical Elite improves stability on off-center hits and expands the sweet spot, important for newer players still developing their accuracy. While it doesn't include advanced tech like graphite faces or carbon fiber construction found in premium paddles, it delivers reliable all-around performance. Overall, the Head Radical Elite is a solid, affordable paddle with Head's trusted design quality. It's best suited for casual to developing players who want durability and decent power with control. It provides a great starting point for those transitioning into more serious play without overwhelming them with overly advanced features or high cost. Number 3. Onix Graphite Z5. The Onix Graphite Z5 pickleball paddle is one of the most popular and trusted paddles on the market, known for its balance of power, control, and comfort. Originally designed for both beginners and advanced players, the Z5 is crafted with a graphite face and a Nomex honeycomb core, delivering excellent responsiveness and a large sweet spot. This construction provides players with a solid feel at contact and consistent shot performance. The paddle features a lightweight design, approximately 7.5 to 8.2 ounces, allowing for fast hand movement and quick reactions at the net. The wide body shape enhances the hitting surface, making it easier to place shots with precision. The cushion comfort grip ensures secure handling and reduces hand fatigue during extended play sessions. The Z5's carbon fiber/graphite face offers a textured surface that aids in spin and ball control, while its USAPA approval makes it tournament-ready. It comes in a variety of vibrant colors with a distinctive Onix logo and durable edgeguard. Overall, the Onix Graphite Z5 is a reliable, well-rounded paddle ideal for players who want a strong mix of power, touch, and maneuverability. Its original and authentic design ensures high performance and durability, making it a favorite among recreational and competitive players alike. If you're looking for a paddle that delivers comfort, performance, and quality, the Z5 remains a standout choice in the pickleball community. Number 4. JOOLA Ben John's Perseus 3S. The JOOLA 3S Pickleball Paddles collection features premium paddles crafted with a raw carbon fiber surface, delivering exceptional durability and enhanced performance on the court. This line includes 4 distinct paddle shapes: Ben John's Perseus, Hyperion, Scorpius, and Magnus, each designed to meet different playing styles and preferences. Whether you prefer an elongated shape for extra reach and power, a wide body design for a larger sweet spot, or an aerodynamic curve for faster swings, there is a paddle tailored to your needs. The paddles come in 2 thickness options, 14mm and 16mm, allowing players to select the perfect balance between control and power. The thinner 14mm paddles provide better feel and maneuverability, ideal for players who value precision and touch, while the 16mm models offer enhanced power and a more solid hit, suitable for aggressive players looking to dominate the game. Each paddle in the JOOLA 3S series is UPAA certified, ensuring they meet the highest standards for competitive play. This certification means the paddles are approved for use in official tournaments and leagues governed by the United States Pickleball Association, UPA, offering players peace of mind that their equipment complies with official regulations. The combination of advanced carbon fiber technology, diverse paddle shapes, and professional certification makes the JOOLA 3S pickleball paddles a top choice for players seeking performance, versatility, and quality on the pickleball court. Number 5. Tangerine Santorini. The Tangerine pickleball paddle is designed to deliver a vibrant and high-performance playing experience suitable for both novice and professional players. Its standout feature is the vibrant color design, making it visually appealing and easy to spot on the court. Built with a fiberglass surface, the paddle offers a perfect balance of power and control. Fiberglass provides a smooth hitting surface that enhances ball spin and accuracy, making it ideal for players who want precision in their shots. This surface material is also durable, ensuring the paddle withstands regular play and competitive use. At its core, the paddle uses a lightweight honeycomb core construction. This core type reduces the paddle's overall weight while maintaining excellent strength and shock absorption. The honeycomb design enhances maneuverability and quick reaction times, helping players execute fast and powerful strokes without fatigue. Importantly, the paddle is USAPA, USA Pickleball Association, approved, meeting official size and weight standards for tournament play. This certification makes it tournament legal and suitable for competitive matches at any level. Overall, the Tangerine pickleball paddle is an excellent choice for players looking for a lightweight, durable, and powerful paddle that combines aesthetic appeal with performance. Whether you are just starting or competing at an advanced level, this paddle offers the right blend of accuracy, power, and control to elevate your game.